up them again then. Turn it. Then, just slightly. You are the star in my private room.
Mahal.
I know. I'm in need you like me desperate. Yeah. That girl love you. Hold that like that. Don't try and take a joke too far. You're too bad, you know that. One for the storybooks. Wet up me balls with your pussy juice.
Fire.
You understand? Because remember, I got philosophical storybooks.
Yeah.
No. You know your pussy now, John Crow. Your nipple sweet. Your body cute. I know.
That's it right there.
I know. With your pussy juice, me body spray champagne honeymoon. Poof. Today a maths class. Buckler. Maths up that.
Oh, we're missing 2 lines at the end.
No.
Oh, you want?
What say
Okay.
But me need you right, me desperate. And then me exit. Just that alone. And then me make an exit line.
Okay.
Make it for you.
Oh,
You're just that alone, ready? That alone. Call me that say. Nothing I want to add it. Boom, boom. Last night, can I get you what I like? Can I send your boom boom tight? Kick it in the gear and feel like the G-Wagon. Take it for a ride. Then we deal in the dolly to a star. Rush on that. And we are.